Good evening. So tonight I'm here to talk to you about referrals and booking. Your trainer and your director probably already told you that booking and referrals is the life of your business. A general rule of thumb is that you want to book 8 appointments so that you can hold 5. That's a piece of advice that my director, Tika Ann Haynes, recommended in the very beginning, and so far it's worked very, very well because it's just a reality that, some people may cancel on you a couple days before or even the day of. So to make sure that you hold at least 5 appointments, you want to make sure and book 8. And that's every 2 weeks. Book 8, hold 5. And those can be individual appointments or they can be parties that people host. The second thing is coaching. Following up with those you book with. You'll have your one-on-one time with each of the clients at the end of your party, or if you're having a one-on-one skincare class. So during that time, when you set your second appointment for color, however you choose to do it, you want to make sure and follow up 2 days later, really to find out how their skin feels after trying the product, sometimes for the first time, following up with them to get the guest list. I know sometimes consultants will offer a prize if you receive the guest list within 2 days, like a lip gloss, something, just a prize, an incentive for getting that list to you so that you have time to pre-profile those guests, call them, and follow up with them. You'll also want to try and follow up 2 days before as well as the day of to make sure that the appointment is confirmed. My amazing trainer, who is also my best friend, says that there are different ways that you can follow up on the day of. You can ask, for the address, make sure you have the right address to confirm and really give her an opportunity to say, oh yeah, we're gonna do it today. Or if she has to cancel, she can go ahead and let you know now. So that's part of coaching. You really want to make sure your client, your hostess feels like they're not doing any work, that you will, call the friends, follow up with them, and pre-profile, like I said. The third point for that is selling. You can't make a sale unless you ask for a sale. There are a lot of videos on YouTube and on Mary Kay In Touch and a lot of other educational materials that help close the sale. One that I watched, a video that I watched, she's a national sales director. Her name is Jillian Ortega. A technique she used is ask all of her clients, close your eyes. Think about your favorite outfit in the closet. Think about the shoes, the accessories, if it's a dress, everything you wear, and think about how much you spent on it. A lot of times that will be close to $100. And that outfit usually comes out once, maybe twice a year. And saying, you spent that much on a product, on clothes that you wear once or twice a year that hangs in the closet for the most part, why wouldn't you invest in your skin and taking care of your skin for the same amount, something that you will get a lot more use out of? So that was a closing technique that I thought was really, really good because it really helps, paint the picture of the value that clients will be getting from Mary Kay products. And lastly is recruit. Always, always, always provide or talk about the Mary Kay opportunity. It's an amazing opportunity. You decided to take that chance and start your own business, start earning your own money, setting your own hours, making women feel beautiful every single day. And one of the amazing things about Mary Kay that really touched me is the priorities, the vision, the mission. God first, family second, and career third. There's not many opportunities in the world where you can say that within the company. So really just talking about why Mary Kay is important to you, giving your I story at the party or with your one-on-one time with your client. So those are some tips about referrals and booking. So remember, you want to book 8, hold 5. You want to coach, and that's following up, making sure your client or your hostess doesn't really feel like they have to do any work at all. Selling, as well as recruiting, offering the Mary Kay opportunity. There's also 2-2-2 rule. That's follow up 2 days after, book within 2 weeks to make sure that the appointment is held, and follow up 2 months after the order is placed for reorders. So that's 2, 2, 2. Just a couple of tips for you guys, some things that have worked for me and worked for my trainer and director as well. Make sure to use the resources available on Mary Kay InTouch. There's tons of educational tools available, as well as other resources such as on YouTube, and just doing some research about other selling techniques that would work. So I hope this helps, and good luck. Happy selling.